Hello, today we are going to learn about the personal pronoun in Portuguese, which means pronomes pessoais. Personal pronouns in Portuguese are divided into reto, and oblíquo, Reto is when a pronoun functions as the subject. That's why sujeito means subject. We also have oblíquo, when the pronoun works or functions as a complement, not the subject. Inside the oblíquo, we have átono and tônico. Átono do not need preposition. Não precisa de preposição. Tônico, it needs preposition. That's why preposição, preposition. Here we have a list of the personal pronouns. Here we have o reto, which means I, you, he, she, we, you, plural, and they. Eu, I, tu, you, ele, ela, he, she, nós, we, vós, you, eles, they, masculine, elas, they, feminine. Here we have singular, plural, first, second, and third person singular, first, second, and third person plural. And here we have oblíquo, átono, without preposition, sem preposição, tônico, com preposição, with preposition. So we need to use preposition when we are talking about a sentence construction. Me, te, lhe, o, a, se, nós, vós, lhes, os, as, si. As you can see, o and a can also be articles, but also pronouns. Mim, comigo, ti, contigo, ele, ela, si, consigo, nós, conosco, vós, convosco, eles, elas, si, consigo. Here, ele and ela is reto and also oblíquo tônico. So let's see these examples. Eu gosto de sorvete. I like ice cream. Eu, I, is the subject, so the pronoun is working as the subject. Here we have gosto, like, which is the verb, and the rest is called complemento, complement. Meu irmão é alto. My brother is tall. Meu irmão, my brother, is the subject. We can also use he, because my brother, meu irmão, means he. So he is tall. Ele é alto. Here we have the verb. So in those cases, we have pronome pessoal do caso reto. The pronoun is working as the subject. Os alunos vieram até mim. The students came to me. Até mim. Mim is the pronoun, and até is a preposition. So as you can see, the pronoun needs preposition, which is a case of pronome pessoal oblíquo tônico. In English also, to me. The students came to me. Elas falaram muito bem de nós. They spoke very highly of us. De is a preposition. In English, we have of. Nós and us, the pronoun. So in those cases, we need preposition. And here we have some situations where the preposition and the pronoun mix and they become only one word. Ela foi comigo ao mercado. She went with me to the market. Comigo, in English, with me. Com, mim, comigo. So with means com. Me means mim. In English, we do not mix, but in Portuguese, we mix. Com ti, contigo. Here is you. Com si, consigo. He, she, and also you sometimes. Com em nós, conosco. With us. Com vós, convosco. With you, plural. So here we have a mix with the word com plus mim or ti or si or nós or vós. Pronome pessoal oblíquo tônico because we need preposition. But in Portuguese, we are not seeing it because they came together as just one word. And here we have pronome pessoal oblíquo átono. It is when we do not need preposition. A plateia me ouviu cantar. The audience heard me sing. So, a plateia, the audience, is the subject. Ouviu cantar, heard sing, verb. And here we have the complement. Me. We do not need preposition, and the pronoun is working as a complement. Is complementing the sentence. Muita gente veio nos prestigiar. A lot of people came to honor us. Nós is complementing as the same as us is complementing. Now let's talk about pronomes de tratamento, pronouns of treatment. Always on the third person. So the verb is always on the third person when we are using a pronoun of treatment. Tu já foste ao cinema ver esse filme? Have you ever been to the cinema to see this movie? Tu is a personal pronoun, pronome pessoal. Você já foi ao cinema ver esse filme? Have you ever been to the cinema to see this movie? So the translation is the same. Although você is a pronoun of treatment, pronome de tratamento. As you can see, the verb changes. Foste, second person, foi, third person, singular. So, that's why always on the third person. If you want to know more about the pronouns of treatment in Portuguese, I invite you to search on Google a list of the pronouns of treatment, or better, pronomes de tratamento, and you're going to see them. Most of them are very formal, specific situations. We have sir. In Portuguese, we have senhor, masculine, senhora, feminine, which is very used. But Most of the pronouns of treatment are not used. It's rare situations, but I invite you to search at least for you to know.